clean places and friendly faces. You know, that's something I don't see in the ring that much these days. Hey, yo, you know, I'm here at Love's at the Fresh to Go section. It's fresh and, you know, it's on the go. You know, like there's some good options they got, you know, that we've talked about that'll help you, you know, go the distance. Like you got your protein snack tray over here, you know, you got some nuts. Hey, look over here, you know, at the salads, you know, you got a fresh salad, you know, you got some cucumbers, you know, bell peppers, onions, and you know, it's only like 35 calories. And over here, you know, it's another kind of salad. You know, it's got a little bit more to it because, you know, it's got meat. But, you know, it's like a healthy kind of meat. You know, it's only like 140 calories. You know, you got your, you got your boiled eggs. You know, I love my eggs. It's the first thing I, you know, eat in the morning. You know, I eat mine raw sometimes, but, you know, I ain't advocating that all the time. But, you know, it's good to have it boiled. You know, over here, you know, you got your wraps, you know. I love wraps, you know. I like to wrap my hand, you know, before a boxing match. You know, and over here you got your healthy sandwiches, and you got your great sauces here too, you know. You got your blue cheese, but I'd be careful about the sauces, you know. There are a lot of unhealthy sauces like mayonnaise. You want to trade that out for something healthy and flavorful, you know, like hummus, you know, you got mustard, you got, you know, pesto, you know, you got your blueberries and strawberries, you know, that's all good for breakfast because, you know, like breakfast is like, you know, the most important meal of the day. And I don't ever skip breakfast. You know, a good breakfast, you know, should consist of, you know, you got your protein, you got your complex carbs. You know, I'm a simple guy, but, you know, I like to keep my carbs complex. You got your calcium and you got your healthy low-fat stuff, you know, and keep the sugar low. That's another thing you want to do. But these are some other great, you know, options for you. Hey, yo, I'm here at the hot and fresh section. You know, they got a lot of good options over here, like a grilled chicken sandwich.
Portion control, champ. Look at the calories, kid.
Well, you know, over here, you know, you got a Roller Grill nutrition guide. You know, like this hot dog over here is only like, you know, 180 calories. You know, that ain't too bad. And over here, you know, you can put some condiments on here. You know, I always like condiments, you know, because that provides the protection in the ring. You gotta have the protection. And, you know, when I'm out, you know, I pull over, you know, I want a hot meal. You know, this is where I go, you know, to the hot and fresh section. And, you know, they got all these great options on the roller tray, you know, but I don't know which option to go with. It's like, you know, I'm being punched and I see 3 of them.
Get the one in the middle.
Right. Hit the one in the middle.
Yeah. It's like I get punchy brain.
Don't overdo it.
Again, you know, it's always about making smart choices.
To be a winner, you gotta eat like a winner.